My name is Allison Jaworski, and I'm the Program Manager for the DTE Energy Efficiency Program for Business.
I am Kyle Davidson, a service technician for Limbach Company.
We are at Limbach Company today talking about the importance of boiler and chiller maintenance and how that simple operational adjustment can save big on energy and efficiency.
My job is to go to sites and check equipment to make sure it's running efficiently in the best way for the customer.
Doing annual maintenance or tune-ups is a smart move for Michigan businesses that helps them save money.
You got to change oil in your car to make it run efficient, and that's the same thing with chiller maintenance. It's as easy as calling in somebody to save them money that they don't even know that they have, and that's why we offer the DTE program.
So if your company would like to get involved in the program, I would recommend that you visit the DTE Energy website, Save Energy for Business.
We're right there to get them the rebates and help they need through DTE.
The DTE program is available for our customers to help them save energy and money.